Hello friends, my name is Ricardo Flores Hernandez. I'm going to show you in this video how to change the bulb from a rear lamp from a Corvette 1998, which applies to all models from 1997 to 2004. So let's begin. We're going to use a screwdriver with a torque screw. The lamp has two screws. We're going to take them off. Take the first one. Once we are done, we're going to use both fingers to pull the lamp, because if you try to do it like this, you won't be able to do it. So we're going to use both fingers and we're going to pull the lamp like this. Here we're going to lift this part so we can turn it to the left just a little bit, like this. We pull it. The bulb, we are just going to pull it, just as simple. We take the older one and we just push it. We do the same process, everything fits, including this part. We put both screws again. I recommend you not to put it so tight. And finally, we're going to check if the bulb works. There you go. Okay friends, that will be all. I hope this video has been useful for you, and see you next time.